Awesome location next to the Powers Pond. Sit on your deck and enjoy the views. Impeccably maintained, 1999 manufactured home with 1,620 square feet, 3 bed/2 bath plus an office, open floor plan, gourmet kitchen with beautiful wood cabinets, spacious dining area, living room has nice view windows, master suite has separate TV room, front deck and back covered deck, wheelchair accessible ramp, detached double garage, easy care landscaping, fenced backyard, spacious parking area and room to park RV.